Hi, I'm Kayla, and I want to show you one of two really cool features that EatQ offers. EatQ is a platform that provides pre-marketing and sales tools primarily for CPG food brands. And the feature I will focus on today is EatQ's product comparison tool. The first step is heading to eatq.io and clicking the login button to be taken to my account that I've already created. For today, we're going to say that I'm a salesperson at the popular snack bar brand BTR Nation, and I'm getting ready to pitch to a new retailer next week. So I really want to make sure that I can showcase exactly where and how I'm going to be different from what this retailer already has and why adding us to this category will help grow that category's sales. I'm going to head to the left-hand menu bar here and click on the comparison tool, and it will prompt me to load in a product. Today, I've loaded in the BTR Nation's peanut butter chocolate chip bliss SKU because it's my personal favorite. And so once I have all this product information loaded, I'm going to double check and make sure that it's all right and updated. And I'm going to then head to the top menu bar and click the Add Competitor button right in the middle. This will bring up EatQ's extensive database of products, and I definitely have to make sure that I filter out for some more relevant selections here, or else it's very overwhelming. So I'm going to head to the product category search bar and start to type in the snack bars. I'll select snack, energy, and granola bars as my product category and type in the peanut butter product description so that I can make sure I'm only getting other SKUs that are relevant to the one that I'm focusing on today. I click search, and it quickly filters out all of the irrelevant information. There are still way too many products here for me to go through manually, so I'm going to filter even further by brand, and I'm going to type in brands that I know that the store carries and that I consider to be competitors. So I'm going to hit Cliff Bar, we'll search. Still a lot of information. For the sake of time, I've already loaded up the 4 competitors that I want to focus on today to compare directly with BTR Nation, and EatQ displays them side by side. We can easily go through and look at some of the differences. Let's scroll to the ingredients. I really love that EatQ calls out the total number of ingredients up top, the product allergens, and then lists out the ingredient statement by bullet points rather than the block of text that is typically presented on e-commerce websites and on the packages of our products. I'm going to scroll down to the free from section, and I can see quickly that this BTR Nation bar is one of 3 that are dairy free, and that our product contains no sugar alcohols or artificial sweeteners, which are attributes we know from our research that buyers and consumers are both looking for. Scrolling down to nutrition, we can see that our protein content is high and our fiber content is by far the highest of all of these. And wow, look at the sugar content of most of these bars. We scroll down to ESG aspects and we can see that we have no palm oil in our product, which is very on trend for this category. We are also the only woman-founded brand in the set. And from the other information, I can see we're the only vegan bar in this selection. So this is a very comprehensive comparison overview, and it will be really useful for me to identify my unique selling points, and this information will integrate perfectly with my deck. I can obviously say that we are going to be a great addition to the category for this retailer, and that they will be better able to cater to health and sustainability conscious snackers by adding our bars. So that is it for the intro to EatQ's comparison tool. With EatQ, it will definitely save you time on this research and increase your confidence when you're pitching to brands and retailers so that you can really showcase why adding your product will boost their sales. So if you want to give it a try, all you have to do is go to eatq.io. You can click the Get Access button if you haven't already created an account. You fill out some pretty simple information and you'll instantly get access to the comparison tool we just went over, as well as other great features to help you grow your business. Best of luck to you on your pitches, and I hope to see you on the EatQ platform and when I'm shopping online to place my next grocery delivery order.